gentlemen, and everybody in between. I am back with somebody else's hair, and guess what? It's another cozy night in Get Ready With Me. Clink, 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 clink. There's something about a blonde wig that just make me feel like Savannah James. You know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like rich. You know what I'm saying? Like, very classy. I don't do too much. When I buy my Birkin bags, I don't write a check. I'm not gonna hold y'all too long. Y'all know today Get Ready With Me is basically, girl, we do a little 1-2 on the head, and we do a little 1-2 on the face. That's it. Before we go ahead and get into our 1-2, first I need to ask y'all a quick question. Could you subscribe and hit the post notification bell just so you can see every single time I post, because I'm coming to you every single week with a brand new wig, a brand new personality, and obviously a brand new energy level. Girl, my energy level is actually low. Let's go ahead and get into this hair because I already know y'all staring at it. I want to say thank you to OMGHERHAIR for providing this wig to me and sponsoring this video. Girl, glueless. This thing is a glueless blonde wig. Glueless means I can switch it up, girl. It's giving very much, girl, on the run. First, we're gonna go ahead and get into the hair. I'm gonna show y'all how I styled this hair and how I wear this wig glueless. And then we're gonna go ahead and get into the face. For the face, I did something really, really simple. No concealer, but just like this sort of really, really fresh look. Very, very minimal powder. Just something really fresh, simple, easy, and glowy. So we did a quick and simple look to match with the hair. So if you wanna see or get more details on how I did this look, first we're gonna go ahead and start with the hair, and then we're gonna go ahead and get into the face. Before this wig jumps out of this box, I want to go ahead and show you what you receive inside of the packaging. Along with your wig, you receive gifts: a rat tail comb, an elastic band, a HD wig cap, a thank you card, but of course you receive your wig. Now this wig is a gorgeous caramel blonde 9x6 HD wig with a 3D dome cap. It is a glueless pre-cut lace wig, 200% density, and mine is 12 inches long. I chose the style number DLW21, and baby, this price is super duper affordable. We'll go ahead and get into that later. Now let's go ahead and get in on these specs with this thing. As you can see, this wig came, like I said, with a 3D dome cap, which is really, really comfortable and sized on the head. As you can see, this lace is a gorgeous HD invisible lace. I do need to tint this lace, so we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of lace tint on it and distribute it out. Then I'm gonna blow dry it a little bit. But this wig also comes with a S zigzag pre-cut melting hairline, so it makes it easier to blend into the hairline, an adjustable elastic cord, and removable combs with Velcro. So you're able to wear this wig comfortably glueless without having to worry about much. Now, of course, we added the lace tint, and as you can see, it looks like it's already growing out of my scalp. But of course, we need to take the next step and flatten that hairline. Now, I like to flatten my hairline with a little bit of a wax stick. Now, this wax stick, baby, she expensive, girl. I don't even know why I got her, but I do like her because she's not super duper waxy. So when I put my hot comb on it, it doesn't make the hair greasy. You know what I'm saying? And greasy blonde hair don't really give like that. So after I added the wax stick and I'm hot combing it, I also hot comb my part. I wasn't sure if I was gonna do a middle part or a side part. Y'all know I ended up on the middle part, but y'all need to see how I got there. So we're just gonna go ahead and clip our hair back. Y'all know I got a tiny head, so we're gonna pull in this adjustable cord. And when I tell you this adjustable cord is everything, it's super duper comfortable and it makes the wig fit securely. Now, the hairline looked a little bit close in the middle. It was making my head shape look a little bit odd. So I'm just going to go ahead and take some scissors and cut off a little bit of lace. The great thing about this hairline is that it's super duper pre-plucked. If you cut a little bit off, baby, you won't be able to tell. I didn't have to plug it in or anything. Look how good that looks. I love that they give you extra space to be able to customize that for yourself. Now next, this is a glueless wig install, but for the edges on the sides, baby, if I'm going somewhere, I'm gonna tape it down a little bit. So I have some lace tape that I love using. You can get it from Amazon. I just stick it on my forehead and stick the lace down so the sides, girl, don't come up, and the wig snatcher don't try and get me, okay? This wig can be worn completely glueless, tapeless, sprayless, but y'all know me, I gotta have a little bit of security on the side. So you just lay down this tape. You have to be careful removing this now, girl. You could probably wax your hairline if you don't do it correctly. Let me know if you want me to do a removal video for my tape, because I have a way that I do it, and I think I'm keeping my edges. I'm not bald headed yet. As you can see, this hairline looks perfect. It looked like I sprayed it down and melted it, but baby, I didn't do that yet. Now this is where I decided, like, baby, I need a side part. I wasn't sure which side I wanted to do, but I think, what side is this? My right side. I said, you know what? It just felt better. The energy on that side was just giving. So I'm just gonna go back in with my, I think it's called Kerastase. I don't even know what this is called, but the Kerastase wax stick, and we're just gonna hot comb yet again to go ahead and get that side flattened. Now, in order to make your blonde wigs look really, really good, I do think it's really important to flatten blonde wigs in particular. Something about blonde wigs, when they hyped up, it'd be like, girl, I needed you to take a little bit of extra time with that hot comb, and I did today. So we continue to flatten the hair, but I also decided to comb through the blonde hair to see if it was straightened. And babe, right now I could be done, but I wanted to do a little bit more. Now I'm plucking not exactly the hairline, but I'm plucking where I'm putting my edges, because I don't know if I want to call these baby hairs, because they're not exactly baby hairs. They're just like edges. I felt like I wanted my edges to lay. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut down those edges, and I'm going to use some lace putty from 𝐒𝐆𝐵 from Amazon, and I'm just going to go ahead and lay that down. You see how the edges, like, it was giving more like I got my hair done edges, not like intentional baby hairs. It's like unintentional baby hairs. So I did that on both sides because I wanted it to be even. It would be strange for the wind to blow and not to see a baby hair on the other side. It's like, girl, where's your partner? Where's your friend? Where's your bestie? You need that other side. So I just went ahead and laid that side down as well. And it just looks so cute. And I need things to be even. It looks so cute. Now I'm also going to go in with some, what is this called? Oh my God. Why am I forgetting? Lace bond gel. Girl, I'm going in with the lace bond gel to go ahead and lay that down. It looks so cute, so realistic. I think it gives like a little bit of extra character to your hairline. Now next, we're just going to go ahead and style this hair. I haven't even talked about how soft this blonde hair is. Sometimes when I receive blonde hair, I get a little nervous when I have to take a flat iron to it. But this time, I went over this hair a couple of passes and the hair didn't dry out. It still feels very, very moisturized. I didn't feel any dryness on the ends until I got to the lace frontal part. Usually that part has drier hair. I'm not sure why, but the very, very tips were dry, and that's it. But we'll take care of that later. But look at that drop. You see, you know, when you see that drop, that hair is healthy. I don't know what they did to this hair, but baby, this hair was healthy. And for this price, girl, sometimes they skimp somewhere, but they didn't skimp nowhere with this friend. So I went in and I decided to reflatten as well with my hot comb, because yeah, I'm not gonna have no hype hair, girl. I'm not gonna have no mountain at the top of my head. So I reflattened multiple times, and after that was complete, basically the styling was done. But like I said, I felt like a little bit of dryness up where the lace frontal part was, so we just trimmed that off just a little bit. Now we also needed to define our part. I'm going to go in with my NC50 stick foundation. This is like my favorite stick foundation to define my parts. And look how pretty this hair is. Now I'm going to go in one more time, and I feel like I want it like a little bit, not of a layer, but like something, I don't know what to call it. That's a tiny layer, but look how good this looks. Look how healthy this bob is. The color, the transition is perfect. Now, if you're interested in this wig, I'll go ahead and leave a link for it down below. I'll also leave a coupon code down below as well. I want y'all to get a good look at that hairline and how it's eating while it's glueless, babes. Go ahead and get you one. Now, let's go ahead and get into the face and match our face to this hairline and to this wig.